friends, it's Emily here in Marnie's studio with today's Brain Break. Now I bet you're wondering, what is a brain break? Well, they're quick activities that give our minds a break and so we can learn a bit more about our bodies. So let's see what today's is. Today's Brain Break is all about our breathing so we can learn how to control it. Because sometimes when we're worried or scared or nervous, our breathing can get really fast, and so it helps to calm our body down to control our breathing. So there's a couple things we can do to control our breathing, and I like to use shapes to remember how to slow down my breath. The first shape we're going to look at is a star. Now if you don't want to imagine a star, you can use your hand. The way this breathing technique works is you breathe in on the way up your finger and you trace all the way up like this. When you get to the top, you hold it and then blow all your air out when you trace on the way down. And then we move on to the next finger, all the way up and down and up and down, up and down. And your last one, and out. Just like a star, our fingers have 5 points, so it's up to you if you want to use your hand or you can imagine a star. Another shape you can use is a rainbow. So for this trick, we're going to put our arms nice, far and wide as if the clouds are resting on our hands. And this time we breathe in on the way up and paint a rainbow just like this. And then we could breathe out on the way down and paint the rainbow back to the clouds. And we want to go through all the colors. So that was red, and then we move to orange. And out. And we move to yellow. Then green, and we want to make sure we're going nice and slow. We breathe in and out. Blue. Two more, indigo. Last one, violet. It can be helpful when we do those to imagine the colors getting painted up and then getting painted away to make sure we take enough time. Now sometimes when we do these activities, it can be hard to do them by ourselves, so it's great to ask a friend or whoever's in your room to do them with you so you can do them together. Not every brain break may work for you, which is why it's great to try a bunch of them to figure out what works best for you, and so you can build your own toolbox of brain breaks. Thanks for watching!